Crash courses. Today's crash course is on one of the most amazing geological events in the entire planet, the Old Faithful Geyser, located in Yellowstone National Park. Look at that geyser. All that water spraying up. Great googa mooga, that gives me an idea. My drone has gotten downright dusty, and Old Faithful will take care of that problem with one little blast. Sweet jabby dabby, I'm gonna use Old Faithful as a car drone wash.
Sir, that's a horrible idea.
Horrible, as in amazing.
Let's just do today's fun facts.
Fact number 1. Old Faithful is a geyser in Yellowstone National Park. Number 2. It usually erupts between 15 to 20 times a day. And number 3. Old Faithful is fueled by the hot magma beneath the supervolcano under the western part of the U.S.
Did you hear that? There's a supervolcano beneath that geyser.
Great! It'll get my underfenders. Ta-ta! Sandra, I'm directly above Old Faithful.
Sir, the water is going to blast you.
Sandra, please. I've had a weekend course in high turbulence drone management. I'll be absolutely fine. Oh, so hot! Well, that went pretty well.
It went horribly, sir.